AC circuit. So let's look at the question together. In an electric circuit, an inductor of inductance 0.5 Henry and resistance 50 ohms is connected to an alternate current source of frequency 60 Hz. Calculate the impedance of the circuit. The impedance of the circuit is the overall resistance of the circuit. So before we deal with the problem, let me first draw the circuit diagram. We have inductor of inductance 0.5 Henry in the circuit, then connected in series to a resistor of 50 ohm resistance, then to an alternate current source of frequency 60 Hz. Now, to calculate our impedance, we need to calculate the inductive reactance first. And to calculate the inductive reactance, we are going to use the formula X S subscript L, which is 2 pi FL. So our S subscript L is representing the inductive reactance. F is representing frequency in Hz. Then the L is the inductance in Henry, which is 0.5 Henry. Now, if we substitute to get our S subscript L, we're going to have 2 times our pi is 22 over 7 or 3.142. Now it's 3.142 times the frequency, which is 60. Then the inductance of the inductor, which is 0.5 Henry. Now, if we multiply 2 times 3.142 times 60, I have my calculator here, 2 times 3.142 times 60 times 0.5. I have 188.52 ohm. That's the inductive reactance. That's the resistance of the inductor. But we want to find the impedance, and this is an LRAC cycle. This is the inductance, this is the resistor. It's an LRAC circuit. So to calculate the impedance now, for an LRAC circuit, the impedance is square root of the resistance raised to power 2 plus the inductive reactance raised to power 2. Impedance for LRAC circuits, we use vector diagram to derive this expression. Z, which is the impedance, equals to square root of the resistance in the AC cycle raised to power 2 plus the inductive reactance raised to power 2. If we substitute correctly, our impedance will now be root 50 square plus 188.52 square. Our impedance will now be equal to square root of 50 square, that's 2,500, plus 188.52 raised to power 2. I have 35,540 approximately. 35,540 approximately to the nearest whole number. 35,540. Now, if I add up 2,500 plus 35,540, I have from my calculator here, that will be square root of 38,040. So if I find the square root of 38,040, I have approximately to the nearest whole number from my calculator here, 195 ohm, which makes the correct answer to be option C.